Take no thought for this life, what to eat, what to drink, nor yet for your body what to put on. Is not the life more than meat, the body more than rainbow? Look at the birds of the air. Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow, neither do they reap, nor gather into barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Aren't you worth much more than they? Oh, won't you look at the birds of the air? Look at the birds of the air and know your heavenly Father loves you, and He cares for you too. By taking thought, can a person add 1 cubit to his stature? Why worry about clothing? Consider the lilies of the field, how they grow. They toil not, neither do they spin. Neither do they spin, but even Solomon, in all his glory, was not arrayed like one of these. Was not arrayed like one of these. Look at the birds of the air. Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow, neither do they reap, nor gather into barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Aren't you worth much more than they? Oh, won't you look at the birds of the air? Look at the birds of the air and know your heavenly Father loves you. Your heavenly Father loves you, and He cares for you too.